We all fear it, the day when your boss says, "We're making cuts." But what if I told you that becoming irreplaceable isn't about working overtime, being the loudest in meetings, or constantly saying yes? It's about solving problems others avoid. I used to be just another face in the office, finishing tasks, attending meetings, meeting deadlines. I was good, but I wasn't essential. Everything changed when I started doing one thing: building systems. I automated recurring tasks with Excel and Power Query, created dashboards that gave instant insights, and helped teammates save hours weekly. Suddenly, people weren't just asking for my help, they were depending on me. When layoffs came, I wasn't nervous. I had made myself the person who fixed things, the person who made work easier for others. That's the secret. Don't just be productive, be valuable. In this video, I'll share how I used simple tools and a proactive mindset to become the go-to person in the office, and how you can do the same. If you've ever felt invisible or replaceable at work, this might just be the mindset shift that changes everything. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why is this topic even necessary? Shouldn't we trust our employers to value our contributions and fairly reward us based on our efforts? Sadly, the reality is often different. Companies can and do let go of employees for a variety of reasons, some fair, some not so fair. The harsh truth is that in many organizations, being well-liked or having a good relationship with your boss is not enough to secure your position. So what's the solution? How do you become indispensable to your company? The answer lies in becoming the person who solves problems that others either don't see or don't want to deal with. Let me explain. Imagine a scenario where you work in a large organization. You're a hardworking individual who puts in long hours and takes on extra responsibilities. You're well-liked by your colleagues and your boss acknowledges your efforts from time to time. However, there's a catch. Your work doesn't really have a significant impact on the company's bottom line. You're essentially a cog in the machine, and your absence wouldn't be felt much. In other words, you're replaceable. Now consider another scenario. In the same company, there's an employee who takes initiative. This person doesn't wait for things to go wrong. Instead, they identify areas where processes can be improved or where the company could be losing money, and they take action. They automate repetitive tasks, saving their team hours of time each week. They build dashboards to help management make better decisions. They streamline workflows and cut through bureaucratic red tape. Essentially, this person adds value to the company by solving problems that have a direct impact on the company's performance. Can you guess which of these employees is more likely to get laid off? If you guess the second employee, you'd be right. The person who adds value by solving real problems is far more likely to be retained because their contributions have a tangible impact on the company's success. That's the key to becoming irreplaceable. So how can you apply this concept to your own work? What if I told you that becoming irreplaceable isn't about working overtime, being the loudest in meetings, or constantly saying yes? It's about solving problems others avoid. I am here to share how I went from being just another face in the office to being the person everyone relied on, and how you can do the same. In the next part of the video, I'll share a simple framework you can use to identify problems worth solving. This framework has 3 steps: observe, ask, and experiment. By following these steps, you'll be able to find problems that have a big impact and also be seen as someone who takes initiative and gets things done.